Welcome to the ET335 how-to video on how to install the Quartus 2 software. Go to the link in Canvas to the Intel site and download the Quartus 2 13.1 for Windows. This is necessary in order to run our board. Okay, from the Intel site, let's go ahead and click on it. And we need to go down there and we're going to download the entire software package, and it's going to be a tar. Just go ahead and save it to somewhere you could find it. Go to the folder you put down the tar and let's right click, and I am going to use WinZip, and it should work on other zip files or a free one. So let's unzip it. Okay, next open up the unzip and use the setup command and let it finish.